Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will teach you class 7th science chapter 15 materials we use. Man-made substance is defined as a new substance produced by the chemical processing of natural substances. For example, carbon nanotube is a man-made substance. It is one atom thick sheets of carbon. Now I will talk about what are the things that people are using to brush teeth in ancient times. In ancient times in our country, people were using acacia bark, neem twigs, coal powder, ash powder, tooth powder, salt and pomegranate rind, which means peel powder of pomegranate. All these things are used for cleaning teeth in ancient times. Nowadays, people are using mostly toothpaste and tooth powder for cleaning teeth. How is toothpaste made of? The main ingredients of a toothpaste are calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate. It will help to remove the dirt on our teeth. Calcium carbonate is carbonic salt of calcium. Fluoride is a chemical substance that is added to water or toothpaste. Fluoride in the toothpaste helps to stop tooth damage or tooth decay. Why fluoride is important? Read this information here. Fluoride is important for bone strengthening and the enamel. Enamel is the hard white outer covering of a tooth. Okay. Next subtopic is detergent. Detergent is defined as a chemical substance in the form of a powder or a liquid for removing dirt, especially from clothes or dishes. The synonyms of detergent is to clean or to wipe away. Soap nut, soap pod, soap, washing soda, washing powder, liquid soap and shampoo. All these things are all detergents. Next definition we are going to study about is surface activity. Surface activity is defined as the property possessed by certain solid substances to influence the surface tension of liquids. This is the meaning or image of surface activity. Next definition is surfactant. Surfactant is defined as a substance which tends to reduce the surface tension of a liquid in which it is dissolved. Look at an image of surfactant. If you put detergents on a liquid and after mixing it, it will tend to reduce the surface tension of a liquid. Next subtopic is natural detergent. Soap nuts and soap pods are the natural detergents. They are the most commonly used. Soap nuts and soap pods does not cause any harmful effects on human skin, silk, woolen threads or woolen clothes. Next subtopic is man-made detergent. Soap is a man-made detergent. In ancient times, people in the West are preparing soaps by using animal fat and wood ash. There are two types of soaps, hard soap and soft soap. Hard soap is used for washing clothes. Hard soap is made up of a sodium salt of fatty acids, which means sodium hydroxide, NaOH. NaOH is the formula of sodium hydroxide. Soft soap is used for bathing. Soft soap is made up of a potassium salt of fatty acids, which means potassium hydroxide or KOH. KOH is the formula of potassium hydroxide. Next subtopic is synthetic detergent. Synthetic detergent are very higher than soap because synthetic detergent is used both in hard water and soft water. Nowadays, many people are using synthetic detergent in place of a soap. Synthetic detergent in every time use is not good for our health because synthetic ingredients causes the irritation of the skin or allergic reactions. It is a non-soap cleanser. Synthetic detergents are very useful in many cosmetics. Next subtopic is cement production. Cement is a mineral powder. It is grey in color. Cement is made from sand, aluminum oxide, calcium oxide, which means lime powder, iron oxide. There are different types of colors of iron oxide. All these 6 colors powder here is iron oxide. And last one is magnesium oxide. All these kinds of powders and sand, if you mix it, it will form cement. Cement is very useful for construction. Limestone, clay, marlstone, which means mudstone, and clay stones are the most important raw materials for the production of cement. This is Portland cement. Portland cement is the most common used type of cement in around the world. Portland cement is manufactured by burning and grinding a mixture of limestone, clay or shale. This is concrete cement. Portland cement is the main ingredient of concrete cement. Concrete cement is formed by mixing cement plus water plus sand plus gravel. Building blocks, pillars and pipes, all these things are made from concrete cements. If you like this video lesson, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.